Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
Hey guys, we're back once again for some more Tradesmas live trading with the opening range break strategy. Gonna continue on today. Today's Thursday. We've got a couple more days until Christmas. We'll just keep going on with this strategy on this account right up until the end of Christmas. All right, this is the first candle of the opening range. We've got a few more candles after that. We'll see what the range looks like, and then we will see if we get any trade opportunities. All right, that's our 5-minute range. It's a tight, choppy range today, so. All right, with that closure, I have a pending short open now. And we'll see if price comes back to give us a retest or if it just, plummets for the day. So we are tagged in to the trade right now, and let's see how it plays out. All right. Nice and easy day. Nothing too much else to say on that. Other than this would have been another good opportunity for, I guess, a possible day for, and like this just really further proves that I definitely want this to be something that I test for 2025, is looking at the possibility of this being the entry instead. Hypothetically, it does not increase the loss rate to take the entry back here instead. You just might not get tagged into everything. So, yeah, it's something to look into, but I definitely clocked in another 0.5 R for today. Happy to be in it and happy to win it, and we'll see you for the next one. Thanks, guys. Hey, everyone. We're back for another potential orb trade here. We're just a minute out from the New York Stock Exchange opening bell, and we're looking to draw our range on the first 5-minute candle of that opening bell price action. Of course, I'll use the 1-minute chart to do that. I'll draw the high and low utilizing the highest and lowest point in that 5-minute range on the 1-minute chart, and then we'll look for the breakout going in either direction to take our trade. This is the last candle of the 5-minute range. All right, we've got our range, and now we're just waiting for a breakout. All right, so with that candle closure, I've got a pending order right here that goes to about there. So all in one or two candles there, that was an entry and a loss, unfortunately. But that's the way it is. And December brings a lot of volatility with the low volume. And we do have some news coming up in 10 minutes, but thought we would have a chance to kind of squeak out a winner here. Unfortunately, didn't play out like that. So that's that. We'll be back next week for the last couple trades of the year. So have a good one. Hey guys, we're back for the last live trading session of the video, and for me, the year. We unfortunately had 2 losses last week, but we're crossing our fingers for a turnaround today. So we're about a minute out from the end of the range forming, so let's sit tight and see what the market gives us today. All right, this looks like our range for today. Let's keep an eye out for any breaks to either side. All right, with that candle closure, I created a limit order over my broker. just got tagged in on my broker. And let's see, it's probably about here. I think it looks like. Yep. All right. So now we play the waiting game. Back to sitting on our hands. All right, guys. I hit take profit over on the broker. Basically, I was same spot right here. So, awesome. That is going to do it for me in Tradesmas. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I'm going to drag over my broker screen so you can see all the trades I took this month. So, yep, this is my phase 1 challenge for Funder Pro. You guys are here with me for every single one of these, except for this one. That's okay. That was just the very, very first one I used as the kind of demonstration for how the strategy works trade. You saw that. Other than that, I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday season, a very merry Tradesmas, and hope to see you in the Discord. Have a great one, everyone.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.